like the consistency, Shem. It's
From?
L from courses and their patience. I love their patience as well. And there is something that is missing that they can't even pick. I saw other course nation complaining of saying, "Country, what are we here for at the stadium? We'll come and fill the stadium, but there is no relationship between us and the players." Immediately, when it's say 90 minutes, plus they run to the dressing room, and courses will be left there at the stand alone. So that thing, yeah, short, man. You can't even say next time, guys, because now buying it, they got this thing of throwing tins, bottles, and all those stuff. So this journey is still a long, a whole 30 games. So if you just lose one, and then you say, we are patient with the coach, but as the players, Ranga, what are you doing? So it's a wrong motivation to the team. Because now, a lose from Sundowns, a lose from SuperSport. And again, it's this thing of scoring when you are breaking. Don't score too much, because apel am a goal.
We've got